In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill on bill.com. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged in to your bill.com account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Bills in the main menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll see a list of all your pending invoices, organized by vendor, due date, amount, and other details. Take a moment to review this list so you're clear on what needs to be paid and when. Next, you're going to select the specific bills you want to pay. On the left side of each bill, you'll see a checkbox next to the vendor name and the invoice number. Click the checkbox for each bill you're ready to pay today. You can choose just one bill or multiple bills at the same time, depending on what you need. Make sure you're selecting the correct invoices and double-check the amounts and due dates to avoid paying the wrong bill by mistake. Once you've chosen your bills, look for the Review and Pay button, usually near the top or bottom of the list. Click on that to move into the Payment Review screen. This page is important because it's where you confirm how and when these bills will be paid. On the Review screen, start by choosing your payment source. This is where you select how you want the money to be sent. You might see options like your linked bank account, your bill.com balance, or a connected credit or debit card. Pick the funding source that matches how your business usually pays vendors, and make sure that account has enough funds available. Next, set the process date. This is the date when bill.com will begin processing your payment, not necessarily the date the vendor receives it. Choose a date that lines up with your cash flow and the bill's due date. If you want the payment to go out right away, choose today's date. If you're scheduling ahead, pick a future date that still ensures on-time delivery. You'll also see a memo field. Use this to add any helpful notes, such as an internal reference, a project name, or an account number the vendor might need. This can make reconciliation and vendor communication much easier later. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to finalize. For a single bill, click Pay. If you selected multiple bills, click Submit Payments. Bill.com will then process your payments based on the details you just confirmed.